2, 1, start. A stitch in time saves nine is a phrase and a well known proverb, and it has a very deep meaning. Stop. It is a wise saying. Stop. This phrase refers to a hole in a cloth. Stop. This hole would certainly get eager if not fixed in time. Stop. It means that a timely effort will prevent more work later. Stop. It certainly means that prevention is better than cure. Stop. Furthermore, this important phrase tells us procrastination is a bad habit. Stop. Hence, if a problem exists, then one must fix it immediately. Stop. If it is not fixed in time, then even more problems can arise. Stop. Well, the fundamental purpose of the line is something different. Stop. It highlights the point of how to solve your problem in time or to pay attention to your difficulties unless it invites trouble in your life. Stop. One must not waste his time in doing useless or undesirable stuff. Stop. A person should concentrate and focus on his problem by not delaying the time. Stop. We all have 24 hours in our hands, and time is a precious element for all of us. Stop. Now, you have to decide that how you will utilize your time. Stop. So, instead of wasting your time on minor issues, you should focus on main things. Stop. Parents should contend on their children about the value of this proverb. Stop. Another advantage of this concept is less effort. Stop. This is due to early with a problem. Stop. Dealing with a problem early requires a certain amount of effort. Stop. However, with delay, the problem becomes ugly. Stop. The main lesson of this phrase is to deal with your problems as early as possible. Stop. Delaying in dealing issues makes the situation worse and ugly. Stop. So, complete your task as quickly as possible without any delay. Stop. Every second in 24 hours of a day is precious. Stop. Thus, wasting time is a foolish choice. Stop. Besides, working on time enhances your decision making skills. Stop. Stress and anxiety have never been good for our health. Stop. Therefore, if you accomplish task early, you will save yourself from the last minute hustle. Stop. All of these instances prove that we need to rely on this proverb. Stop. It is the wisest choice to abide by. Stop. Once upon a time, there was a merchant who sold all his goods and earned a lot of money. Stop. He was far away from his home and planned to return to his place before night. Stop. He started his journey, but a few me him about the time and injury of his Horse, stop.